Seems like you've been welcoming the election result. Do you think it will really be a big boost for your broader sector and for the economy next year?
Yeah, well, first of all, it's probably a bad idea to follow me on Twitter, but especially during election season. But I do think that, irrespective of stock market and some of the economic indicators that would tie to, I think when you look at America's long-term competitiveness, whether it's the global partnerships that we have with important nations that we trade with and that we depend on, whether it's immigration reform so we can make sure we have the best talent in America, whether it's STEM education or really making sure that we have a set of decisions that are made based on the foundation of science, I do think that the direction this country is moving in is a very positive one. And that's what I'm most excited about is how the Biden administration will be able to go and drive really long-term competitiveness in the foundation of our business environment.
I just wonder whether there's a little bit of overconfidence in terms of what might be coming from a Biden administration. Talking about Silicon Valley in a New York Times article in January this year, he said there's an arrogance about it, Silicon Valley, an overwhelming arrogance that they are the ones we can do what we want to. He said in the same article, Section 230 should be revoked. He was pretty critical of Facebook. Do you not think there could be a wave of regulation coming towards big tech?
Yeah, well, I think that regulation was coming, or at least the risk of that regulation is coming under any administration. So, in terms of how do you regulate tech, whether it's social media or large marketplaces, I think these are very important topics, no matter what party is in the White House. I think the broader issue that I think businesses of all sizes, tech and not tech, depend on is really about having a stable global marketplace where companies can compete for talent, where we can compete for customers, and where you have a longer term set of thinking around where the market is going. And I think that's the kind of stability that business leaders are really looking for and certainly are optimistic about under a Biden administration.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.